I'll keep fighting till my country's safe. You know, I have a brother about your age. I think you'd get along. Bet he's all grown up by now.
Look at all these missed delivery notices. I'm in real trouble now. How long can I go without food?
I should probably send him a snack later.
And we will do our absolute best to get his nutrients delivered as soon as possible.
Right. I know you will.
Hey, Senpai!
Hold on. Are you becoming hungry?
Yeah. I mean, we haven't eaten anything since this morning. Aren't you even a little hungry?
So you are an adventurer, right? Are you really going into the dungeon this early in the morning?
Uh-huh. Yes, I am.
It's not a lot, but you should take it.
But I can't accept this. You know, not from somebody I just met.